In the meantime, there is an interesting bit of a discrepancy that has now come forth and that has been noticed when it comes to the posts that have been made by the Congress leader Jairam Ramesh, who seems to be defending and justifying the Congress decision on Amethi and Raebareli. Ankit, was it what it is really?
So, in Jairam Ramesh's long tweets in English and in Hindi, there is one line that is difference. In the Hindi tweet, I'll read that line. Priyanka ji to koi bhi उपचुनाव लड़कर सदन पहुंच जाएंगी. Priyanka can contest any bypoll and reach the parliament is what he has written in English, in Hindi rather. We have read it here. Meanwhile, in English, that line is totally missing. Priyanka ji is campaigning vigorously and is single-handedly silencing Narendra Modi's lies. The way she responded to the canards that the PM was spreading on the abolition of estate duty in March 85 was a stinging rebuke. That is why it is important that she should not be limited to just one constituency. She is campaigning across the country. He has not mentioned that line. I am reading his para on Priyanka in Hindi again. प्रियंका जी धुआंधार प्रचार कर रही हैं और अकेली नरेंद्र मोदी के हर झूठ का जवाब सच से देकर उनकी बोलती बंद कर रही हैं. इसलिए यह जरूरी था कि उन्हें सिर्फ अपने चुनाव क्षेत्र तक सीमित ना रखा जाए. प्रियंका जी तो कोई भी उपचुनाव लड़कर सदन पहुंच जाएंगी. So this is the discrepancy between Jairam Ramesh's tweets in Hindi and in English. In Hindi, he talks about Priyanka contesting a bypoll. In English, he writes a different line about correcting PM Modi, but he does not venture that line of argument at all. Is this a blip? Is this a, however, deliberate omission? That is the real question that Jairam Ramesh maybe wants to answer.
All right. Hoping that he is watching this broadcast and rather putting note to exactly his own tweets, what have been put out on his social media handle, and especially that missing line. Was it deliberate or a slip of mind remains to be seen. Thank you, Ankit, for that. With that, we head into a short break. You're watching Times Now.